Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'll get to it. My analysis of my sketches from this page. I utilised geometric and observational methods along with good speed creating the feedback loop, and the feedback loop is where you get the information to improve upon what you utilise, where you would maybe go differently the next time, or what you would keep going. Now, I believe that sketch number 1 and number 3 is a good combination between the two. That is the best results overall and the closest thing to the original reference photo. I'm not entirely sure what happened with number 2 with the ratios. The eyes are slightly too wee for the face shape, and the cheekbone comes out slightly too wide, and the neck should be further in, so I think that's what threw it off. So overall I'm really happy with the results. I shall keep going, and if you want to know more information, let me know and I shall get back to you. Thanks guys.